Hello everyone. My name is Yoga, and in this occasion, I will explain to you some something that seems interesting to you. The topic is the best scientific argument for proving the existence of the God. But for those who guess I'm going to discuss something religion, you were wrong because I have not any problems with that. Otherwise, I'll talk much about science. What I will say may become controversial for some people, but I'm sure if you carefully pay attention to my explanation, you will be interested and gain other resources to complete your meaningful understanding. Ready for hearing my explanation? Be ready. Okay, previously I have said about the best argument. And do you know what the argument that I mean? The argument is called fine tuning argument. I don't know yet who wrote this argument for the first time, but this argument focuses on the question why did some number, we say it as a constant, exist in this universe? Number or constants like speed of light, gravitational constant, electricity force constant, Planck's constant, proton constant, electron constant, or electron's mass, proton mass, and many others. Don't please don't be confused with my explanation. I will explain to you, I will discuss to you part by part. For the first, I will explain what the constant is. Constant is a value that doesn't change either within a context specifically or like an experiment or universally. I will give you two examples of a constant. The first example is gravitational constants. It has number, it is 6,674 times 10 power negative 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. What it is means? Okay, this value was a result of an experiment. It can explain why some planets move around the sun, why some objects, like an apple, can fall into the earth, or Newton's head, and another relating to gravitational events. And this number cannot be changed, or some consequences will come to us. And the second example is speed of light. This is a constant also. It means this numbers, nearly 300,000. Yeah. It means that light can travel in a vacuum at nearly 300,000 meter per second. Per second, light can travel in a vacuum nearly 300,000 meters. Incredible. Einstein had said before that speed of light is constant for all observers. No matter how fast the observers moves, the speed of light will be measured in the same number. That's why this number is called a constant. Okay, for now you have understood what the constant or what a constant is. And now it's the time to explain the core discussions. The fine tuning argument. This argument says that the value of certain constants in physics, like the gravitational constants, speed of light, and so on, are incredibly precise. If any of these constants were slightly different, the universe will be completely different and most likely uninhabitable. You cannot live. Maybe. Let's talk about one case of gravitational constant and the effect if this constant was not fine-tuned. The effect if this number is doesn't fit right there, like this, but if there is any larger or slower. Okay. What about the effects if this number is getting larger than this number? The first, what happened is gravity pulls matter together more strongly. Gas clouds collapse much faster. Stars form quickly even from smaller amounts of gas. Uh, anything just around us is can be pressed into smaller volume, like bell and anything. If the if this gravitational number is getting larger, all all things around us will getting much smaller but have much denser because of that strongly gravity. What about the greater effect of this event? The great impact is on the stars. Our stars may become burn fuel much faster. This because the strong gravity makes fusion, nuclear reaction, go faster to contract the crashing force. That means they use up their hydrogen quickly. And then the span life of stars are become shorter yeah because it has because it burn a fuel that fuel much faster. It impacts of it it can impact on the lifespan of stars. That's why this specific number should be fine tuning. Okay, let's make conclusion. To conclude, the fine tuning agreement show us something amazing, that the universe operates with extreme precision. This constants, gravitational force, speed of light, and any other form the foundation of the entire universe. Even a tiny change in their values could make stars, planets, and life itself impossible. This leads to big, honest questions. Is it just luck that everything is just right? Or is there a reason behind it? Science alone cannot fully answer this question, but it gives us a clue. The universe appears to be fine tuned for life, and that the fine tuning might be the best scientific argument pointing toward the existence of something greater, perhaps the God. So I invite you not just to think, but to wonder. Maybe the universe is not just a cold machine. Maybe it's a meaningful design. Thank you very much.